Once in a small village near Rajagaha, there lived a young man named Anand. He was consumed by anger, frustration, and sadness. His dreams were crumbling and he felt powerless. He heard about the great teacher, Gautam Buddha, and set out to seek his guidance. Anand arrived at a peaceful forest monastery where Buddha was teaching his followers. He waited patiently until Buddha noticed him. Approaching with deep respect, Anand asked, "Why do I suffer so much despite all my efforts? How do I find peace?" Buddha smiled gently and said, "Anand, imagine you are holding a burning coal in your hand. The coal hurts you, but you still cling to it. Why? Because you fear that without it, you have nothing. Yet, if you let go, the pain will stop." Buddha continued, "We often cling to our anger, frustration, and desires, thinking they define us or give us power. But in truth, holding on to these emotions only brings suffering. If you wish to be free, you must learn to let go." Buddha pointed to a nearby river and said, "Life is like this flowing river. If you try to stop the flow, you create resistance and struggle. But if you flow with it, accepting its current, you will find peace." Anand closed his eyes, meditating on Buddha's words. He could feel the weight of his anger and frustration lifting as he realized he was holding on to pain unnecessarily. He finally understood. To let go was not a sign of weakness, but of great strength. Buddha smiled as Anand opened his eyes with newfound clarity. "The power is within you, Anand. By letting go, you find strength. You are not defined by your suffering, but by your ability to rise above it." Anand bowed deeply to Buddha, thanking him for his wisdom. As he left the monastery, his heart was lighter and his mind clearer. He knew the path to peace was through acceptance, letting go, and flowing with life's natural rhythm. And so Anand's life transformed. He learned that true strength lies in letting go of what weighs us down. Like the flowing river, we must allow life to move forward and embrace the peace that comes from acceptance.